Hello everyone, happy new year to all. This is the first day of 2025. Today I'll show you how to create a Pinterest ID properly, also how to create a Pinterest business ID. A Pinterest business ID helps you to grow your business, create some ad on Pinterest to sell your product more aggressively, or to grow your audience globally. So let's start. Begin with by clicking sign up. First of all, you need a valid email address. You need to set a strong password, and let's type your birthday, month, date and year. Okay, then press continue. Hold on. Then click next. Choose your gender. Choose your language and where are you from. And now it's time to pick 5 interests, 5 category that you are interested in. Hold for a while. So all okay, we successfully complete sign up process. Next step is verify your email address. After a couple of minutes you will receive a confirmation email. You need to verify it. Okay, after verifying email, I will be there and I will show you how to convert a personal Pinterest account to business Pinterest account. Welcome again. I successfully complete email verification. Now it's time to convert personal Pinterest account to business account. To create a business account, just click on edit profile. Then go account management. Here below the password you will see a option called convert to a business account. Just click on convert account. So there is a option will be available for you when you convert your Pinterest account to business. Look, there is ad manager will be available in business account, analytics also, and credit and offer as well. So just click on upgrade. So now you need to select a category for your business. I'm selecting service provider and type your business name. If you have business website, then put your URL here. Right now I don't have website with this business profile. Then next, what are your business goals? I'm selecting increase online sales, generate more lead, brand awareness. What is the focus of your brand? Interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I am interested on advertising. so you will be available for using add account. Then done. There you go. We are done. This is our business account interface. This is the end for today. I will share more information about Pinterest. Hopefully you will get this video informative. I will post everything about Pinterest, so hit the subscribe button.